So today this video is gonna be for those of you out there that actually enjoy the sneakers that you cop. You feel what I'm saying?
Yep.
For those of you out there that y'all might have wanted this sneaker and y'all was like, you know what, I want to catch it on sale, but if it don't drop down, should I cop it? Because I want to give you guys an actual look of it, right? Today we're gonna be unboxing, reviewing, and talking about what was supposed to be the best sneaker in the Rare Air package. Yeah, that's right, I said it, it was supposed to be.
What?
I'm talking about the Air Jordan 4 Rare Airs. Hey, these things decent. Let's talk about it. Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we're gonna be talking about a sneaker that, like I said, I feel like it's not a bad sneaker. You know what I'm saying? $220 from out the gate off of these things to me was a little bit weird. But then again, the Jordan 4s are extremely hyped right now, so the Rare Air Jordan 4, I expected nothing different. You feel what I'm saying? But before we get into this content, make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, let me say this before I turn this camera around and unbox this sneaker. If you are interested in this shoe at all, it is not a bad sneaker. Cop it. You know what I'm saying? Like, buy shoes. Don't buy shoes based on stock numbers. Buy shoes because you actually want it. And that's gonna be my tips of the day, man. That's my advice to you guys. Let's unbox this sneaker. All right, so as you guys can see right here, this is the box that's gonna come in. Yeah, I still wear my Yeezy size. Y'all see me, you know what I'm saying? But this is the box that's gonna come in. You do have that Jordan box that has his face on it. This is one of the most iconic boxes to me. Super dope, so I love that. This one is going to be a size 12. Let me see if I can pick this thing up. You do have the flight right there. An Air Jordan 4, size 12, black, fire red, deep royal blue. You feel what I'm saying? That is pretty much it for that. We're gonna open up this box. You do have the Jumpman, the flight right there on the inside of the box. Spickle spackle paper. And it is not single wrapped. Oh, yes, never mind. Yes, it is. It is individually wrapped. Nike's been doing that a lot lately. But then we have the Air Jordan 4 Rare Air Dangs, man. Here we go right here. Let me go ahead and get the other one out the box. Get this box out the way. So this one is kind of individually wrapped, as you guys can see. And we're going to take these things out. Quality control sticker, shot the finish line. I was able to get these. Y'all see the finish line bag right there. I don't see, oh, there go the quality control sticker right there. And that is going to be it for the box, man. All right, so now as we talk about the sneaker, as you guys can see right here, it is a predominantly black upper. Kind of got like a wolf gray type vibes to it along the sneaker. On the back end, we do have that Nike Air branding, which everybody loves. It's going to be in that deep royal blue right there. With the hints of the red and the off-white sail colorway, which is only on the back end. Kind of got a tech gray right here on the left-hand side, on the outer side of the sneaker. And then that royal blue and deep red across the front. Jumpman logo on the tongue, but this is a removable patch, and this is the thing that everybody's been talking about. This one is going to be the Rare Air, and this is going to be the white colorway, as you guys can see right here. I've been looking at the prices, monitoring that between the white and the gold. It ain't much difference, man. And because of the stock numbers, I feel like that kind of like don't matter to a lot of people. But y'all comment down below and let me know if that matters to you guys. And then we do have the blue Nike Air hang tag on these things, and that flimsy plastic. Black netting caging on the sides of these things right there. Again, white or gray air unit on them. Bottom one got the USA colorway when it comes to that red, navy, and white on the bottom. Inner side of the shoe is going to be the exact same thing. And like I said, I don't see any quality control issues on these things, but when it comes to the material, as you guys can see right here, when it comes to this material, it is not bad at all. Like the suede, the nubuck ain't too bad. On the toe box, you know, we measure everything by toe box material. You guys can see it's got some little stroke motion on there. I do think it comes with another set of laces, as you guys can see right here. It does come with this other set of laces. It's gonna be that navy blue, which will make this actually make this sneaker pop. On the insole, we do have that Rare Air on the insole, as you guys can see. Navy blue sock line or royal blue, whatever you want to call it. Behind it is gonna be that white. All in all, in my opinion, let me go ahead and walk these things out, in my opinion, into some sunlight for you guys. Not a bad sneaker, man. As you guys can see right here, we do have the Rare Air Jordan 4s. Y'all let me know down in the comment section, was this a must cop for you guys? Resale ain't too bad, again, like I said, but it's just gonna be one of those things when it comes to this sneaker. Like, if this thing was a lot more limited, like the stock numbers wasn't crazy, I feel like y'all would have went crazy for this one. But now we've been humble and we kind of like see sneakers for what they are whenever we hear stock numbers ain't limited. And I like that because the people that actually like this shoe, they're not gonna care about their stock number. They're gonna go get it and they're gonna cop it based on the fact that they like it. But y'all comment down below, let me know your thoughts and opinions. To me, this is a decent sneaker. The 3s are better than this one, bro, in my opinion. But y'all let me know if I'm tripping. But I appreciate you guys. Y'all know the saying, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember everything we talk about, including these 4s. Just bait. Wait for me to share my fate. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Gone.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.